How to move your 401k to gold without penalty. Do you have a 401k? Is it from an old employer, sitting idle and losing money to fees? Is it at risk of another 2008-style recession or losing value to inflation? If so, then you can't afford to miss this video. You'll learn how you could roll over a portion of your 401k into a Gold IRA to help you protect your wealth and reach your financial goals. So don't go anywhere. Investing in precious metals has become an increasingly popular option for investors. They have been used as a time-tested means of storing wealth that can weather numerous economic changes, giving your portfolio the diversity and stability you need in uncertain times. Like any 401k or other retirement plans, there are rules and regulations to be aware of when rolling over to a Gold IRA. The last thing you want is to be hit with a load of costly taxes and penalties because you didn't do things correctly. So, how do you move your 401k to gold without penalty? What you're about to learn could not only help you protect your hard-earned savings for years to come, but could also save you a fortune in the process. Section 401k of the Internal Revenue Services Code allows individuals to make contributions to a retirement account in a tax-deferred manner. This means that they will not be taxed on that contribution until they take a distribution when they retire at age 59 and a half or later. You are also subject to required minimum distributions, which require investors to take a specific amount in distributions each year. If you're contributing to a 401k fund, remember that the company managing the fund takes fees from your 401k even when you aren't contributing. Over time, those fees can add up to a significant amount if you're not continually contributing money. To help avoid those fees, you may want to use a 401k rollover, which transfers assets to an IRA to broaden your investment choices. Stay tuned and we'll show you a little-known IRS loophole that could protect your money for years to come. You won't want to miss it. There are many more benefits to a 401k plan. They allow you to save money easier by automatically withdrawing from your paycheck. Employer matching contributions help you build your nest egg for retirement. You get tax-deferred contributions, meaning the money you contribute will not be taxed and can grow tax-free until you withdraw. There's also the potential for borrowing from your 401k to pay for things like unforeseen medical emergencies, burial or funeral expenses, education, and more. There's one more benefit that is arguably the holy grail. You're allowed a Gold IRA rollover, tax and penalty free. A rollover IRA is a term for an individual retirement account, IRA, that is funded by moving funds from a 401k, 403b, TSP, or a similar retirement account into an IRA. The main difference between a 401k and an IRA is that an IRA is normally opened by the individual, rather than being offered by an employer. Rollover IRAs are most often created when changing jobs or retiring, as they allow employees to move their current 401k or other retirement account balances into an IRA account that will offer a broader array of investments. When performing an IRA rollover, funds from existing tax-advantaged accounts can be rolled over into a new IRA tax-free. And get this, you can even roll over funds from multiple retirement accounts into a single self-directed IRA, making it easier for you to consolidate and manage your retirement savings. But the best is yet to come. With a Gold IRA rollover, investors can minimize their tax exposure since distributions are normally subject to ordinary income tax rates. Particularly for those in lower income tax brackets, that can result in gold held in an IRA being taxed at a lower rate than if it were not in an IRA. This leads us to our next important question. Can you roll a traditional IRA into a Gold IRA? The answer is yes, but there are guidelines to follow. The gold must have a fineness of 0.995 or 99.5% purity. Gold has to be held by a custodian. IRA contribution limits apply. Pre-owned gold cannot be added to a Gold IRA, but you can open a Gold IRA and purchase new gold to add. Now, for the major benefits of a Gold IRA rollover. When you contribute to a Gold IRA as part of your retirement portfolio, you're purchasing actual physical gold as opposed to a gold ETF, which only certifies that you have a vested interest in gold, but not actual ownership. The benefits of investing in physical gold as part of your IRA can include defense against currency devaluations, protection against the effects of inflation, less susceptibility to government seizure, diversification to help manage investment risks, same tax benefits as traditional IRA. Rolling your 401k into a Gold IRA means keeping all the great benefits of a tax-advantaged retirement account, plus the peace of mind of knowing that your investments can be secured in precious metals. And here's how to avoid getting slapped with any needless penalties when making the move. The IRS sets forth penalties for not following regulations on different types of retirement savings. The following are a few rules to be mindful of. If you exceed the contribution limits, you may incur a penalty of 6%. Example, if you exceed the contribution limit by $500, you would be penalized $30 every year until the mistake is corrected. If you have an IRA, you are not allowed to invest in collectibles, which includes artwork, rugs, antiques, stamps, and other items as defined by IRS Section 408M2. Tax penalties may apply here. Withdrawing any distributions before reaching the age of 59 and a half incurs a 10% penalty plus income tax. Exceptions include death or disability of the IRA owner, withdrawals to pay certain medical bills, first-time home purchases, and higher education expenses. Next, we'll show you a 4-step process to make a Gold IRA rollover simple. Always keep in mind the IRS guidelines for rollovers and distributions to ensure that you're complying with regulations, but these 4 steps are an easy guide to get you started. 1. Review investment options as well as more information about investing in gold and other precious metals to make sure you're choosing the best option for your financial goals and that you're eligible for the specific program you choose. 2. Work with your Gold IRA provider to fill out the necessary forms to open your account. 3. Partner with your Gold IRA specialist to help you transfer a portion of your retirement account into a self-directed IRA. This is an important step to help you steer clear of IRS penalties. 4. Decide which type of metals you want to invest in. After purchase, they'll be sent to a secure storage facility. As you start the process, remember that only IRA-approved gold or silver are eligible. It may be helpful to contact a qualified Gold IRA specialist like we have here at Goldco, who understands the nuances of self-directed IRAs and how to roll your 401k into a Gold IRA. Once you've established a rollover IRA, you can contribute to it just like with a traditional IRA. Now comes the time where you can take action. Are you ready? The good news is there is an IRS law that allows investors like you the ability to roll over a 401k into a Gold IRA, tax and penalty free. The best way to do this is to work with a Gold IRA specialist like we have here at Goldco. With over $1 billion in successful precious metals placements and some of the best reviews in the industry, Goldco goes the extra mile to make sure that you're happy with your decision. Give us a call. We're ready to help you facilitate the diversification of your retirement portfolio at any time.